One thing that I hear from hairstylists all over the world is I do not have a space for taking photos in my salon. So I am in my salon / office space, and you see behind me here, there's a door. And above the door, I have roll down backdrop. I can actually pull this down and turn my door into a photo studio. So if you have a door in your salon space, you can also turn this into a photo studio. The easier that you will make it is to actually take the before and after photos and do the videos, the easier it will become for you to actually do it. That is the one key thing to take away. So if you have a door, you can take these hangers and create a photo studio out of it. I want you to do this now, so it will be easy for you to create some social media content.